Have you been wondering how I made this twisted donut? Worry no more. I'll tell you how I did it. It's very easy. All you need to do is to follow the steps. So this is twisted donut. This is very fluffy, super fluffy. You can do it on your own. All you need to do here is to follow the step I'm gonna show you. First, I'll be adding my milk, sugar, instant yeast, one whole egg, and I'll be mixing all to well combine. So now I'll be adding my flour, my salt, and my melted margarine. So I'll be listing all the ingredients that I use for this recipe on my description. All you need to do is to check it out. I'll put the right measurement for you to follow. One thing about making all these donuts is about the kneading part, because the kneading part is very important. If you want to use the mixer machine, that's perfect. But if you can do it with your hand, it's still okay. So here I prefer to use my hand to knead it. So you can see. Now I'm greasing it with my melted margarine, and I will cover it for 30 minutes so that it will double in size. You can see it's already doubled. So I'll be scraping everything out to my mat, then I'll be kneading it again. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. This is Glatory Flavors. You will enjoy always watching my video. All you need to do is to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you'll be among to get my videos, okay? So remember to follow my page at Glatory Flavors on Facebook. You will not regret following my page. You will get a lot of knowledge. So here I'm molding it into balls. So feel free at this time to mold it according to what you want. But here I'm molding it into balls so that it will be easier for me to straighten it into a long strip to make my twist. You can see how I do my long strip. And now I'm twisting it. So when you twist it, you need to press the ending part so that it will not open while frying it. So I will do this part, then I will do the rest of the camera. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, please subscribe, follow my page at Glatory Flavors, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share, comment. It has a way helping me. Okay, so you can see all done. I'll be setting it aside. Now is the frying time. So I'll check my oil. It's important not to fry with the heat is too much. You need to control the heat. It's better to start with medium heat and check if you need to lower it or increase it. And it's important again to add enough oil so that your dough will float. Because when you add enough oil, it's easier for your dough to come out so well. And always turn it side by side to make sure they're all even. And you have to fry until it's golden brown. You can see it's ready. Wow, it's all done. I'll be using my sugar to coat it. So feel free to use any of your choice. Some will prefer to add cinnamon, but I prefer to only add sugar for this. This is super easy. All you need to do is to follow the steps. So remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my page at Glatory. You can see it came out so well. Please like my video, love it, share and comment. Wow. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.